So this is a quadratic equation because the highest exponent is a 2. And there's several ways to solve this, but the easiest way is by factoring. And if a quadratic will factor in this form, ax squared plus bx plus c, it'll factor into two parentheses. What times what will give you x squared? X times x. What times what will give you 6, but add up to 5? Because you've got to get 5 in the middle. So let's try 3 and 2. Plus signs. X times x is x squared. 3 times 2 is 6. And then you got to multiply your insides and your outsides and combine these, and it has to give you the middle one. So that works. So I've got x plus 3, x plus 2 equals 0. What's the only way you can multiply two things together and get 0? One of them must equal 0. X plus 3 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. So x equals -3, x equals -2.